Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. When you talk about quick revision videos, right? What advantage will they give you when you want to prepare for any entrance exams in India? Trying to concise the entire course in few hours, does that make sense? I'm not very sure. Let me put it the other way around. Complete ortho in 2.5 hours. Will that help me? I'm not very sure. What I know is people choke at the end and they just don't know where to go and how to score above others who don't choke. You know who don't? They know what to revise at the end. If you have your own things, go for that. If you don't, come to us. We have a group of teachers who have been teaching for decades in this country. They know what not to miss. It is very, very important for a teacher to tell the students what not to study. Everybody can teach what is required, but what is important is to avoid what's not required. So what are Cerebellum Quick Revision videos? They are day in, day out hard work of the authors, the best ones in the country, who have come out with a content where every line is so precious. You can only miss to repent. You know that you have to see that the student gets a knack of previous year topics, previous year questions in the lines without overburdening too much, but then maintaining a tempo, some jokes in between. Imagine you are bored of too many English lectures and you want to crack something in English. So the quick revision videos are also there in English. I will explain to you. If I have to explain to you that lumbricals are supplied, right, are supplied by the median and ulnar nerve, and they make an L in your hand. That's called as L for lumbricals, all right? And the lateral two lumbricals are supplied by the median nerve, and the medial two are supplied by the ulnar nerve. And this is what is the action of lumbricals. And then if the lumbricals are paralyzed, right, it leads on to claw hand, all right? But if I have to give you in English, I will just say, you can't do this like Kapil Sharma. Boom. This is the action of lumbricals. Boom. So this is something that English lectures can get you. It can get you with some punches to stick in your mind so that you are able to grasp it in a quicker version. You understand? If you're standing somewhere and ask somebody, ladies and gentlemen, you made a wonderful explanation. Can you please repeat? Right? And in Hindi, you can just see, eh? So there are smaller versions that can get you gripped. So this is something which Cerebellum only can do, creating one of the best lectures, main and quick revision in English. So what are you waiting for? Let's meet in the app. Thank you very much.